Today, I'll show you how to change your Gmail password step by step in a simple and secure way. We'll go through the process slowly so you know exactly what you're doing, why you're doing it, and what to look out for along the way. Even if you're not very technical, by the end of this video, you'll feel confident updating your password whenever you need to. First, start by opening Gmail. You can do this in any web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. In the address bar at the top, type in the Gmail website and press enter. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your inbox. If not, sign in with your existing email address and current password. Make sure you're on a trusted device and a secure network, especially if you're changing something as sensitive as your password. Once your inbox is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small circle that shows your profile picture, or sometimes just the first letter of your name. That's your account icon. Click on that profile picture. A small menu will drop down with some account options. From this menu, click on the option that says Manage Your Google Account. This will open a new page or tab that shows your main Google account settings. This is where you control things like personal information, security, and privacy for your entire Google account, not just Gmail. Changing your password here will affect how you sign into all Google services linked to this account, such as YouTube, Google Drive, and others. On the Google account page, look for the section related to security. Depending on the layout, you might see a menu across the top or down the side. Click on the security section, then scroll if needed until you find the area labeled Password or Google Password. Select that option to move to the password settings. Before you can change anything, Google may ask you to verify your identity by entering your current password again. This is an extra layer of security to make sure it's really you making the change. Carefully type your current password and continue. Now you'll see the fields where you can enter your new password. Type your new password in the first box and then type the exact same password again in the confirmation box. Choose a password that is strong and unique. A good password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoids obvious information like your name, birthday, or simple sequences. Try not to reuse a password you're already using on other websites. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, click the button to save or confirm the change. Google will process your request, and if everything was entered correctly, your password will be updated. Remember that the next time you sign in to Gmail or any other Google service on any device, you'll need to use this new password. It's also a good idea to update any password manager you use so it stores the new login details for you. And if you were signed in on multiple devices, be prepared that some of them might ask you to sign in again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Gmail password, helping keep your account more secure and protected.